I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by ensuring you have a Google account and permission to schedule meetings. This avoids later access errors. Open Google Calendar and click Create to start an event. Then add conferencing and choose Google Meet so a unique link is generated. Once done, add the class date and time and invite students by email so they receive the link automatically. Make sure to set correct time zone and visibility so students can find the session on their calendars. Next, you focus on configuring the meeting so it runs smoothly. Use the calendar description to paste the lesson agenda, attach resources, and include rules or handouts. This ensures everyone has materials before class. Then open Meet host controls to restrict who can join, enable mute on entry, and turn on recording if you need a copy. Also add co-hosts or additional teachers to help manage participants. Once configured, double-check the participant list so you won't be surprised by late joiners. When class time arrives, you should join early to test your microphone, camera, and screen sharing so the session begins on time. Once started, manage participants with mute controls, use breakout rooms for group work, enable captions for accessibility, and record the session if required. If students can't join or audio fails, have them reload the browser, try incognito mode, or confirm Meet permissions for camera and mic. These quick fixes resolve most connection and permission problems, so class continues without lengthy delay.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.